We continue with our exercise 18.2 and we are on sum number 12 ka first. So let's see sum number 12. It is 2 tan 35 upon cot 55 the whole square plus cot 55 upon tan 35 minus 3 into sec 40 upon cosec 50. We need to find the value of this thing. So it is, first thing is 2 tan 35 upon tan 90 minus 55 the whole square plus tan 90 minus 55 upon tan 35 minus 3 into sec 40 upon sec 90 minus 50. That will give me 2 into tan 35 upon tan 35 the whole square plus tan 35 upon tan 35 minus 3 sec 40 upon sec 40 is equals to 2 plus 1 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. We move on to the third sum of the 12th sum. Sine square 34 plus sine square 56 plus 2 tan 18 tan 72 minus cot square 30. So we say sine square 34 plus cos square 90 minus 56 plus 2 tan 18 into tan, okay, I'll take it this way, plus 2 tan 18 into tan 90 minus 72 minus cot square 30. Cot square 30, what is cot square 30? It's root 3 the whole square. So this gives you sine square 34 plus cos square 34 plus 2 tan 18, okay, this is 2 tan, sorry, this is cot, tan था तो cot हो जाएगा, cot into cot 18 minus 3. Now this part, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so this much part is nothing but 1, so that is 1 plus 2 into tan 18 into 1 upon tan 18, because cot is nothing but 1 upon tan, so this cancels, minus 3, so it is 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So that's the answer for 18.2 12th sum. We move on to sum number 13, 1 and 3. The first, cos theta upon sin 90 minus theta. You have to prove that cos theta upon sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta upon cos 90 minus theta is equals to 2. So LHS, cos theta upon 90 minus theta is cos theta plus sin theta upon, again sin cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So that cancels to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. LHS is equals to RHS. We move on to sum number 13 का third. It's tan theta, tan 90 minus theta, tan theta upon tan 90 minus theta plus sin 90 minus theta upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, sec square theta. So it is tan LHS tan theta upon cot theta plus cos theta upon cos theta. That is tan theta upon 1 upon tan theta plus 1. That is nothing but tan square theta plus 1. That is equal to sec square theta, because tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. The square properties, what we learned in the previous chapter of trigonometry, is very important over here, because these, over here, then sin square theta plus cos square theta is all 1. All these are very important. Tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta, or cos square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. So the three formulas, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta, and cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. These are very, very important. We now move on to sum number 14. Sum number 14. You have to prove that cos 90 minus A upon into sin 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, sin 90 minus A upon tan 90 minus A, upon tan 90 minus A is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So we take the LHS first. LHS is sin 9 cos is nothing but sin A. This is nothing but cos A upon cot A. So we have over here sin A cos A upon cos A upon sin A, because we know that cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. So this sign goes up, cos gets cancelled, it will be sin square A. But you know that this is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Clear? Therefore, LHS is equal to right hand side. It was sum number 14. We now move on to sum number 15. Sum number 15. Cos theta upon sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta upon sin 90 minus theta. This is the first sum. Plus cos 90 minus theta upon sec 90 minus theta. Plus cos 90 minus theta upon sec 90 minus theta. Minus 3 tan square theta. Minus 3 tan square 30. We need to find out the value of this. So first is cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cosec theta minus 3 into 1 upon root 3 the whole square. This gives you as 1 plus cosec is 1 upon sine, so it will be sine theta upon 1 upon sine theta minus 3 into 1 upon 3. So this is 1 plus sine square theta minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So equal to sine square theta. So the answer to this will be 15 ka first will be sine square theta. Correct answer. We now move on to sum number 16. Sum number 16. Show that cos square 40 cos square 45 plus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta upon tan 60 plus theta tan 30 plus theta 30 minus theta is equals to 1. So here what we'll do is that we'll take this as LHS. So we say sine square 90 minus 45 plus theta plus sine square 90 minus 45 minus theta upon tan के बदले cot हो जाएगा. So it will be cot 90 minus 60 plus theta tan. Okay, one sec. I think I'm making a mistake. I need not do this, otherwise सब कुछ change हो जाएगा. Yeah, so it will be tan 60 plus theta cot 90 minus 30 minus theta. Here it is cos square 45 minus theta. You are taking only one of the things, right? So here what will happen? This is 90 minus 45 is 45 minus theta. Okay, so it will be sine square 90 minus 45 minus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta upon tan 60 plus theta into cot 90 minus 30 plus theta. So this will give me sine square 45 minus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta upon tan 60 plus theta into cot 60 plus theta. Now in other words, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So ये पूरा का पूरा एक theta है, ये angle है दोनों same. So that's why it will be 1 upon. Now this is nothing, cot is nothing but 1 upon tan. So tan 60 plus theta upon into 1 upon tan 60 plus theta. So this cancels. So is equals to 1. That is what we wanted. So hence LHS is equals to RHS. Clear? Very easy. It was sum number 16. We now move on to sum number 17 ka 1 and 3, then 18 and 19. Yeah, okay. Oh, lot of time. So, in the first, so given that sine 3a is equals to cos a minus 6, you need to find out the value of a. Okay. So cos 90 minus 3a is equals to cos a minus 6, because sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So if you see this, automatically 90 minus 3a is equals to a minus 6. So bringing it this way, 90 plus 6 is equals to a plus 3a. So 4a is equals to 96. A is equals to 96 upon 4 is 24. Easy sum. We move on to the 17 ka third sum. Third. Sec 2a is equals to sec 2a is equals to cosec a minus 27. So we know that cosec 90 minus 2a is equals to cosec a minus 27. Therefore 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 27. So 90 plus 27 is equals to a plus 2a. So 3a is equals to 117. A is equals to 117 upon 3 is equals to 39 degrees. Okay, that was sum number 17. We now move on to sum number 18. Sum number 18. First sum. Cos 63 sec 90 minus theta is equals to 1. You need to find out value of theta. So it is cos 63 cosec theta is equals to 1. So cos 63 into 1 upon the sec, cosec is, sorry, cosec barabar. Cosec is nothing but 1 upon sin theta is equals to 1. So therefore cos 63 is equals to sin theta. So sin 90 minus 63 is equals to sin theta. So theta is equals to 90 minus 63. So theta is equals to 27 degrees. Okay. So that was sum number 18. I can take the next one also. I can do the second part of 18 also. The slightly complicated ones. So that's why. Tan 35 degree into cot 90 minus theta is equals to 1. So it is tan 35 into tan theta is equals to 1. So now we have to take it as tan theta is equals to 1 upon tan 35. So tan theta is equals to cot 35. Therefore tan theta is equals to tan 90 minus 35. So tan theta is equals to tan 55. So theta is equals to 55 degrees. Clear? So that was about sum number 18. We now move on to the last sum of the chapter, that is 19th sum. If ABC are the interior angles of a triangle, show that. So now it is mean that in the 19th sum it means that if this is a triangle and you have got this as A, B and C. So we have got that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So accordingly, what will be A plus B? A plus B will be equal to 180 minus C. Right? This is what we need. This is very important. We need this thing. So now let's see what we have to show. First part is to show that cos A plus B upon 2 is equals to sin C upon 2. Okay, let's see. So we'll take the LHS. Cos A plus B upon 2. So instead of A plus B, I can write 80 minus 180 minus C is equals to cos 180 minus C upon 2. So it is nothing but cos 90 minus C upon 2. But what is cos 90 minus theta? Is sin theta. So it is sin C upon 2. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. You see the second part also. Tan C plus A upon 2 is equals to cot B upon 2. So again we say the same thing. We have over here A plus C is equals to 180 minus B. So LHS, we have tan C plus A upon 2 is nothing but tan 180 minus B upon 2. So that's tan 90 minus B upon 2. Now 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So it is cot B upon 2. LHS is equals to RHS. Clear? So that comes to the end of the chapter trigonometry, both the parts now. So we are done with both the parts of trigonometry chapter. So that is the end of the chapter, and yeah. So you just have to do the alternate sums. Yeah, as I told you earlier also, the table of sin 30, 45, 60, 90, very important to learn. तो sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, ये सबका learn करना. Okay, so that was about the chapter trigonometry. Both the parts completed now. Thank you.